Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Parker from Wild Survival, and in today's video, we're going to be doing a DIY homemade minnow trap. Before we hop into this video, I just want to say make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe if you happen to enjoy this video. If you guys find this useful, leave in the comments below, and if you have any suggestions for anything, DM me on Insta or drop a comment down below. Now let's get into this, and you only need 3 tools to do this. So it's very easy, simple minnow trap to do, and it only takes 5 to 10 minutes. So